Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, as you all know, we are going to continue today our writing. The writing name is poster and slogan writing. Today we are going to discuss on that, whatever we have learned yesterday, and we are going to practice on one poster making. So children, let's start. So children, as we have discussed in our earlier video, the use of poster making, there are two use, that is, first is publicity and second is for creating awareness of any social or political issue. So first thing, poster and slogan used to write for publicity. The government and any society, or you can say any company, use this for their publicity. And the second thing, it give awareness to the people, to the general people, those who are watching this, those who are reading this, they can get aware about the political and social issue. So children, today we are going to revise what are the features of slogan and poster. So now here the name of the issuing authority should be mentioned clearly with the logo. The first thing that we have already discussed, your language should be in simple. So general people, those who are not very much literate, they can able to understand what is inside there and what is the purpose of posting this poster on the roadside or any official website. So this is very important. Whenever you are making poster, your poster should be in a simple and concise manner. There is no need to write more, but you just to the point you should write. And first of all, whenever you are picking up any theme, so your theme or topic, on which topic you are making a poster, that should be very catchy and attractive. So your slogan, whatever the slogan you are going to add on that poster, that should be very catchy and attractive. Because of the catchy slogans, those who are watching your posters, they can easily attract and they can easily understand what is the matter inside that poster. So, and the other thing is your language should be simple, and fourth thing, the name of the issuing authority must be there, because this is very important whenever you are issuing any poster. So your issuing authority should be mentioned over there and the logo of that authority should be mentioned over there. This is very important. Now the fifth point, which is also very important, that visuals. Whenever you are adding any visuals, any photographs and anything which can make a poster attractive, that should be relevant to the theme or the topic. Otherwise, no one is going to attract, no one is going to read it, and the public will not get any profit from your poster. So always remember, your visual must be related to the topic. Now, the layout should interesting and clear. So your layout of your poster should be clear and interesting. So you should just prepare in a rough before writing the fair page. You just prepare before, and whatever thought in your mind in that time, you just write it and paint it, or whatever you want to write, you just add before doing the final day. So this is very important. Now which is the most important thing, the information conveyed through the poster should be concise and to the point and be written in the simple language, as we have discussed earlier. Because I am emphasizing this point always, because whenever you are making poster, if your lines are not clear, if your writings are not clear to the visuals, so nobody will read your poster and teacher will not going to give any marks on that. So your poster should be clear, should be mentioned in a proper way, and whatever issue you have raised you have raised in that poster, that should be written in a proper slogan. So slogan is very important in the poster writing. What are the caption you are going to give, that should be very catchy and impressive. Now children, we are moving to practice that one example which is already given in your book, that we are going to explain that example. So features we have already discussed, and we have discussed the two main aims of making poster or slogan. So that we have already discussed. Now today we are going to practice on that, how to create a poster. So children, let's start. For that we need one page or one card paper. These type of the thing is required. But in your exam there is a simple thing, your examination sheet. So on that sheet you just draw a line to segregate your poster. So now here I have already drawn a block or a rectangular box. In that you can make poster. Suppose any question which will come in your exam. So visit the book exhibition. Visit the book exhibition, it means you are making a poster about the book exhibition, which is solemnized, which will be solemnized next week. So that you are going to make a poster. Now here I am just giving one example, and we will discuss more example about that. So first of all, your slogan should be clear and it is easy. It will be easy and it should be easy to comprehend by the general public what you are going to convey from this poster. So here, visit the book exhibition. Now, as I have already told you that your slogan must be written, your topic must be written in capital letter. So always start with the capital letter and end with the capital letter. Visit the book exhibition now, because no space, so you can write from here. Books exhibition, read more books and be enlightened. Now your caption is there, read more books and be enlightened. 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 Okay children, so this is your caption, or you can say this is your slogan. Slogan is there that read more books and be enlightened. Enlightened means get knowledge and get benefit from this exhibition. So because this is a book exhibition, so obviously you can get knowledge from that. So visit the book exhibition, read more books and be enlightened. So this is your motto to convey your thought, your whatever you just think about that. So you are conveying your thought by this caption, by this slogan, that is read more books and be enlightened. So now children, we are moving to the next part. Now here you can add few visuals or few photographs of famous writers and their books. So here you can write Ruskin Bond, which we have already read many short story from our textbook. So it will be, I think, the Ruskin Bond, you are all aware about this name. So Ruskin Bond, and next is Charles Dickens. Now next you can add Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now children, next photograph you can take Munshi Premchand. So these are all very famous writers, and you can add many more if you want. So these writings very much well known by the readers, so you can add these names and their photographs. So here I am not drawing any photographs, you just paste, or if you have caliber to paint their pictures, so you can paint it. So here you can draw their photographs. Their photos must be there because it make this poster attractive. That is why I am telling you. So here the photos will be there. If you are making digitally, so it is quite interesting for the readers. If you are not making digitally, you are making yourself, so you can paint a picture or draw a picture. So now here photos must be there. These are the famous writers. Ruskin Bond, we have already read many books, and now Charles Dickens, also very well known, Rabindranath Tagore and Munshi Premchand. So now we are moving to next thing, that is we are going to mention or we are going to give information about this book exhibition, when it will be started and how many types of the books we will get from there, and where is the place. So you should place and venue you should mention at the end, but features of that book exhibition, that we are going to write on that, because we are bulleting it. These bullets should be mentioned because these are the very important point for writing or making a poster. So children, now in first point children, we are going to write that many famous and renowned writers. You can write over there books by renowned authors like Ruskin Bond, Charles Dickens, Munshi Premchand, Rabindranath Tagore, Emmett Blyton, Jeffrey Archer, or whether you know many names, so you can add on, because this is the poster, you are going to make it attractive. But you should always remember that whatever name you are mentioning over there, so in your book exhibition these authors' books should be there. So very authentic. Don't write ऐसे ही कोई नाम नहीं लिखना है, you should be very particular about that. So Jeffrey Archer. There are many names you can mention over here. So children, this is very important that this is your book exhibition. You can add many renowned authors' name over here, but you should be very much concerned about these writers, and your books must be there in the book exhibition. Otherwise, it is useless to write. You are just making for the publicity. It is not true. So be original. Whatever you are writing in your exhibition, these books should be there. So now we are moving to the next point, that bullet we are going to write. First bullet, that we have shown so many renowned writers' name, authors' name. Now we are moving to books give us knowledge. Now here we are writing the benefits of books. Give us knowledge. Give us knowledge. So by you are encouraging people to buy books. So that is why you are writing books gives us knowledge. Because many people are not knowing, you are having a thought that many people are not knowing about that these type of the writers. So that is why you are writing that books gives us knowledge. So because they you can say many people are not aware about these authors, and they are not having a practice to read these books. So that is why you are writing over here, you are motivating people for books, that books gives us knowledge. So by encyclopedias, and general knowledge books, and general knowledge books. Okay children, so here you are adding or many books that related to the encyclopedia and the general knowledge books, that can people get awareness about the world. So you are not only specifying some books or some renowned authors, but you are specifying over here some very, very knowledgeable books that you can get from internet, and you can get you can buy as a book, that is encyclopedia and the general knowledge books. Now we are moving to the third point, that is other books available. Now here we are writing the variety of the books. That is why you are going to mention over here other books available other books available include novels, comics, dictionaries, and collection of short story, Now here you want to explain that those who are going to read this poster, they can able to understand what are the range of your book exhibition. So you have already mentioned these famous renowned authors, and after that you have mentioned over here some general knowledge books, and then you are adding that other books available include novels, comics, which is very attractive for the, very fascinating for the children. So that is why you have mentioned over here. Now dictionaries and collection of short stories, the bedtime stories also mentioned here. So you are going to motivate people to attract these exhibition, because this is very important exhibition, because lots of books are here. So you are making a list over here, and it is clearly written that how many types of the books you are having in this exhibition. So children, please go through this and write it down in your copy also. Now, after mentioning lot of books that you have already mentioned, these renowned authors, and here you have written some names, and then you have mentioned over here the general knowledge books, and then after you have added over here other books available in your, includes that these comics books, bedtime story books and dictionaries. So you have mention each and everything what we are going to display in the book exhibition. Now we are moving to the very attractive point, that is very important. So because we don't have much space, that is why I am writing over here, but this page will be continue. The similar page will be continue here, because we don't have a space over here. That is why I am writing here the next point, which is very, very attractive, very, you can say informative for the people, those who are watching this. So this is the next very attractive point, that 20%, that you are giving 20% discount on all the books. Discounts on all the books. So children, this, why we have written in this block letters, because this is the main attraction of this book festival, book exhibition. Why? Because 20% discount on all the books. So whether it is the renowned author's written book or any encyclopedia, or these are the very expensive books in the market, so you can get 20% discount on that. So this is very, you can say interesting thing for the public. So you are making your poster very attractive by giving this 20% discount. So children, this is very interesting point of your book exhibition. Now 20% discount you are giving on the books. Now we are moving to the next thing, that is main attraction famous 5 series. Now here main attraction, what are the main attraction? Here we are going to mention, children. So now this is also a main attraction. Now we are moving to give next main attraction. So your poster will become very attractive or very fascinating for the readers. Now children, I am going to write few main attraction, that is, what are the main attraction? Now famous 5 series. Famous 5 series. Famous 5 series by Enid Blyton. By Enid Blyton. Harry Potter series. This is also a very, very interesting series that you are going to give in this exhibition by J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, and Tintin Comics. Tintin Comics is also very interesting comics. Tintin Comics. So here you have mentioned over here fun and attraction for the people, those who are interested in the book, and you have motivated already that you have given so many beautiful pictures or photos of famous authors, and now here you have mentioned books by renowned authors. You have given so many names, and these books are available in your exhibition. Now books gives us knowledge and encyclopedia also here, and now the other books available like novels, comics, bedtime stories, shorter stories, everything the people can get from your book exhibition. Now here the main attraction of your poster is 20% discount on all the books, whatever the books are here. So on all the books you are giving 20% discount. Now main attraction, famous 5 series by Enid Blyton, which is very expensive. That is also available. Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling, which is very famous. Now Tintin Comics, which is also very famous and very much interesting for the people, for the children, those who are eager to read. So now here you have mentioned lot of things. You have already made this poster very attractive, very fascinating. So the people, those who are going to read this, they will get attracted, they will get fascinated for this, and they will go, surely they will go to visit your book exhibition. Now here we are going to mention here board by, because you have to mention from where you are giving these information. So here issued by, now here, because this notice is, or this poster is issued by someone, so issued by Charles Dickens Book Club, and here Morning Bells Public School, or you can write Army Public School. Okay, because your school is organizing this, so that is why issued by the Army Public School. And who is the collaborating with you? That is Charles Dickens Book Club. So as we have already attended many exhibition, that is also we have in our school, and we have seen so many posters, because in our book library or outside of the library we have already visited these book festivals which were organized by our school and some other book clubs, and we have already gone through. So this book exhibition poster may be understood by you, and you can easily understand, because by this, first of all, you should give one catchy slogan about your poster, because this is your poster, and because we don't have much space, that is why I have written over here, but you should go through under this. So after this short story, you can mention 20% discount and all the things after these lines. So it is not the next page, it is the same page. So now first we have mentioned a catchy slogan over here, read more books and be enlightened. It means get knowledge, be enlightened you by the knowledge. So that is why here you have given a very catchy slogan. Now after that, for the public attraction, we have pasted over here some photographs of famous authors, renowned authors. Now after that, we have already given names of these authors, and now we have mentioned over here, first bullet point we have mentioned over here, books by renowned authors. We have given so many names of the famous authors and their books, and after that we have mentioned over here in our poster that some general books we are also having in this book fair, and now other books which is also available in the book exhibition. Now we are moving to the main attraction, that is 20% discount. So those who are book readers, those who are eager to read books, they will surely attract by this 20% discount on all this book, because books are very expensive these time. So that is why you have already given discount. So that is why all the people will be attracted. And now the main attraction, famous 5 series of Enid Blyton and Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling's and Tintin comics also. So which is not in general you can get. So because it is a book exhibition, that is why you have mentioned over here. So now an issued, that we have already discussed, that issued authority must be there. So you have mentioned over here who is issuing this poster, that is Charles Dickens Book Club and the Army Public School. They are collaboratively doing this. So I think it is very easy to make poster, but first of all you should think about that slogan, because slogan is very important whenever you are writing book exhibition. Is it simple, but if you have giving some caption, the caption should be attractive. So that you have already given that read more books and be enlightened. So children, this is our topic today, and today we will start with some new topic, and we're just going to revise this topic again, and we will continue the same, and few new topics we are going to start from tomorrow. So till then children, bye bye and take care and practice it on that.